density can build a floating cow farm on the water. This is also a solution applied in areas where many storms and floods often occur every year to limit damage caused by storms and floods. Because simply when water floods the area, the farms that crawl on the ground will certainly suffer heavy damage, but the floating farm will help the cattle cope with that. Now in heat, drought, and even rising nighttime temperatures have pushed the food system in new directions that have caused losses of up to billions of dollars. Despite that, races to overcome the onslaught of extreme weather are still going on, and people are always researching and finding ways to cope with natural disasters. Building flood-proof floating farms is one of the practical solutions for future agriculture. When talking about volcanoes, we will certainly immediately think of images of mountains erupting with hot lava burning everything it passes through, including soil and rock. What remains is blackened layers of soil, but the indigenous people have not given up on farming, and now around the volcano has become a unique grape farm with brilliant green fields. Come explore with us now how people grow and cultivate grapes here. Plant a grape farm right next to a volcano. Looking at the black landscape around the volcanic area makes people only think of barrenness, and it seems like nothing can grow here. But miraculously vast vineyards are grown right here. It is the people who, using their own methods, have turned this barren land into green. Looking
at the black landscape around the volcanic area makes people only think of barrenness. It seems like nothing can grow here, but miraculously, vast vineyards are grown right here. It is the people who, using their own methods, have turned this barren land into green.
The Lanzarote Island area, Spain, people have discovered that the volcanic rock on the island is like a porous mulch, capable of absorbing moisture from the air and retaining it in the soil very well. Ash also acts as a type of insulator, keeping soil.
Technique of the craftsman, but also smell the attractive flavors from those fresh pieces of meat. With each thin slice of meat you can see the meticulous care from the selection of quality ingredients to the meticulous trimming process. Automatic food cutting and packaging is an advanced technique that helps optimize production processes and ensure product uniformity. In factories and food factories, automated equipment is used to cut, portion and package food accurately and efficiently. This process usually starts with preparing ingredients and setting parameters on the machine. Packaging hamburger meat is not simply a step in the production process, but also an important step to help preserve and ensure product quality. Fresh 33 baler is not only an advanced packaging equipment but also a reliable solution for food preservation and protection. With the ability to package a variety of foods from fresh vegetables to meat and seafood, it is a powerful assistant for food manufacturers. By removing air from packaging bags, Fresh 33 baler helps extend shelf life and keep food fresh, preserving its natural flavor and quality. Not only does this save money on wasted food, seeing the tender chicken thighs on the chain, you can't help but be conquered by their natural and attractive beauty. Each thigh is carefully selected with the soft beauty of fresh chicken and attractive color. From processing to packaging, every step is done with. And thoroughness, helping to preserve the natural flavor and quality of the chicken. The feel of each chicken thigh from cutting to grilling spreads an attractive aroma, making it irresistible. Seeing tender chicken thighs like this, you not only feel craving but also feel the care and enthusiasm of the people working in the food processing process. This makes you confident and satisfied with the quality of the product and feel more interested in enjoying this dish.
The farm has a total of 33 cages. Each fish cage has a diameter of 40 meters and a depth of 20 meters. It is necessary to control the density of about 2,000 fish in each cage. This large farm is currently raising about 40,000 tuna and can harvest about 10,000 fish per year. With such a large quantity, the food supply for tuna is also very large. Each week they consume about 40 tons of mackerel and herring. Because tuna are inherently predatory fish, they often prefer live fish, so they should be provided with fresh fish food. In addition to the standard feed of mackerel and herring, the farm also supplements extruded mixture feed with higher nutritional value. This type of food also helps save time, manpower, and above all, costs for boats and fuel. And the pill form is also easier to preserve. With underwater cameras in aquaculture farms, fishermen not only observe their fish easily, but also study their feeding ability, thereby creating affordable feeds. Cheap but still ensures nutrients provided to fish. Bluefin tuna are raised from infancy for 3.5 years until the fish weighs an average of 60 kilograms. The fully grown tuna is then sold to fresh fish specialty stores and restaurants as well as rotating sushi chains and supermarkets. Bluefin tuna is not only in high demand in Japan but is also widely exported abroad. At the processing plant, hundreds of tuna are classified and processed with meticulous management. The first organs are carefully scraped off by professional processing factory workers. Next, the fish is cleaned and trimmed, leaving only the necessary parts.